we put this in a vise. We're going to take this nut off. So I have both nuts off. And we're going to use a Cobalt Impact. It actually has more power than the air one. But
and there it is.
And we're off.
Now we have to get it out of the...
Yeah, you got to actually put it back on and pull it back out because there's enough rust on it. Take the socket off, screw it on a couple threads. Easier just put on a couple threads. There we go, you got it out. Sometimes that works.
Ooh, here.
Now,
there you go.
We need to
hot stuff.
put this over on the press, and then we'll start pressing those bushings out.
Looks like it's going. Can't really tell.
Yeah, you can see right down here.
Well, that one's coming out, but what about this one? Oh, it just went.
Yep.
Scared the heck out of me. Okay. Bag of rock.
That's what it's going to do once it does it, so.
Okay. That popped out. Not all the way, though.
No, but
Yeah, there it is.
it's off. Now, you do the same thing
On this side.
on this side.
Now we're going for the other side.
If you look at it, it looks like it's pushing out as we're going, so it should pop pretty soon.
Because we went the other way first.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, that was stuff that was already on this. Whoa! And it came out.
Yep.
Voila! Everything went everywhere.
Yep.
The only problem is getting it off the thing now.
Socket. Oh, these should just come right off.
You. Okay. Hopefully we can get it out this way. Apart, whatever. Looks like it's going. I'll hold off, get that nut off now.
Yeah.
Oh man! That rubber just came right back up. I don't know. Oh, we're just rubbing it. The rubber, we're gonna have to hook it down here, dear.
Well,
You're up there right now. We're gonna have to. This is the part that has to come off.
this comes off. That's just a washer that's in there.
Okay.
Except this is going to part. So we need to push this down through here. And it looks like it's there. So that is separating out. The metal piece is coming out of the rubber.
Okay. Oh, it's been in that. Yeah, but now it's coming. Oh, stop.
Nope.
Get that nut off there. Yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Now the washer, the nut's in the way. Oh, that's stuck on there good.
Jiminy Christmas. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to go very far with that.
No. But
We
maybe far enough. That'll help.
okay, whatever.
Shaft is just fine. Now we need something that size to finish pushing that out.
Okay.
And it's pushing that shaft out now. Here pretty soon it's going to drop.
I hope. There it goes.
There it is. Finally.
Yay.
So hard coming off. That bushing inside that bushing had rusted
Yep.
in there. Well, we're going to clean this up bit of rust on there.